Good morning my friends and welcome back to another vlog. Today it is Saturday and I'm feeling so good. It is 9:30 in the morning and I don't have any work today. I have a day off, which is so exciting. I feel like I've just been working or at uni like every single day, and I've had a really stressful week. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen that I had a really stressful week. So I'm just like taking a day off. There's still a lot of things that I have to do today, some of which I can't vlog, some of which I am vlogging, but it's going in another vlog. It's just a very complicated situation. But I've had a really productive morning. I wasn't even gonna upload the last vlog that I ended up uploading. I was just like, I hate the footage, I don't want to do it, blah, blah, blah. But I was like, no, like I want to upload it because although it was a vlog that I don't love and I don't want to look back on because I was just stressed and complaining, it's still very much a part of my life, and everyone gets stressed, everyone gets anxious and stuff like that, so I still wanted to include it. So I edited and uploaded and did the thumbnail for that this morning. I completely edited another video which you guys will see. I just like did some normal everyday stuff that I need to do, but today I just need to do a lot of cleaning, and then I'm gonna hang out with my boyfriend later, which I'm so excited about because I haven't seen him since Monday, and I usually see him a couple times a week, but this week because I just started my new job, I was working the days that we usually see each other. I'm gonna probably gonna do a cleaning montage so you guys can watch me clean my room, and I'll talk to you guys really soon.
West suburb, no straight jacket could hold her.
Dressed in black from head to toe. My room is all clean and tidy. I love the feeling of a clean room. Hi, it's much later in the day now and I'm gonna film a video, so I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me doing my makeup. Enjoy. Okay, let's put some pajamas on. Sounds like I said pajamas. I said jams, like jams, you know?
I don't come cheap, but the kisses come free. Close inspection, I'm sure that you'll agree.
So let go with the past now.
Baby, look at me. I'm the cutest chickie that you ever did see. Hey, Tracy, hey, baby, look at us.
So I just finished filming my video. I filmed my top 7, so you guys will see that on Thursday. So I don't know what else I'm gonna do tonight. I might just edit that video and get it sorted for Thursday so I don't have to worry about it during the week. Quality content. Wow, fantastic. Mallow just sat and filmed with me while I filmed a video, didn't you? He always sits with me when I film. I even got it tatted on me. It's a lot of bad things.
Poured tequila in my wine, now I'm feeling fine, so I don't even notice.
Let's go. Good morning, it is Sunday. It is currently 8 AM. I've been up since like 6, just getting stuff done, editing, cleaning, showering, eating breakfast, things like that. But now I'm about to wash my makeup brushes because I have a client this week and I'm currently watching a movie. I'm watching Everything Everything. I haven't seen it before. It looks really good though. Brushes are all clean. Ta-da! So I'm just here making some cookies because I'm obsessed, and I'm also just watching Amy's new vlog where she has shown kind of like what she eats in a day and like a grocery haul where she's eating very healthily, and here I am making cookies. And Mum, what were you saying? Mum's watching it with me.
I'm saying, Amy, I think I need some of your recipes.
Here, Amy is just like chucking things in a pan, and Mum's like, what? Like, that looks like an incredible meal. And Amy's like, yeah, I just like chucked everything in a pan, it's fine.
And I'm saying to Rachel, I think you need to ask Amy for some recipes.
So Amy, send me all your recipes, please.
And then Rachel's going to share them with me.
So Amy, hit me up. Hello my friends, it is now like just after lunchtime and I was thinking about something and I wanted to talk to you guys about it, but it's my birthday in just over a week, and like a week and 2 days. It's on the 3rd of April, and I don't like my birthday. And I wanted to know if there's anyone out there who also doesn't like their birthday. I have a history of bad birthdays, basically. For the past, like, I don't even know, like 5 years, I've just had my birthday ruined by something or someone, and it's just the worst feeling ever. And so now, because of that, whenever I think about my birthday, I literally get anxious. Like, I feel like I'm gonna cry every time I think about my birthday, and it's so stupid. Like, it's such a first world problem, like such a first world problem. And I hate myself for feeling that way, but I literally can't help it. Like, I was talking to Georgia about it the other week, and I just started crying because I was just like, and like, it's my birthday, like, it's not supposed to be a bad day, but something just always goes wrong and ruins the day. I remember when we were in primary school, there was this guy who had a birthday on the 2nd of April, mine's on the 3rd of April, and he was really popular, and everyone remembered his birthday and made a big deal about his birthday. Like, people would write stuff on the like whiteboards and like write messages and do things, and then no one would remember my birthday. When you're like 11 and 12, that's like a really horrible thing to happen to you. Like, now when I think back at it, I'm like, that was so stupid of me. But I used to get so sad about it because everyone knew about his birthday and no one acknowledged mine. I remember on my 16th birthday, I think it was my 16th, I was camping at a music festival with a bunch of my friends, and on the day of my birthday we had planned to go out for breakfast at like a cute little cafe or something, and on the day of my birthday I woke up and no one remembered that it was my birthday. And I'm really not the type of person to like make a big deal about my birthday. Like I'm not the type of person that's like, it's my birthday next week, like, the only reason I'm talking about it now is because I want to know if anyone else has the same thing. But because I didn't make a big deal of it, people just completely forgot. And I remember everyone took like ages to wake up and get ready and stuff, and no one said happy birthday. And then when people did remember, they were like, oh, we're gonna go out for breakfast, hey? And I was like, yeah. And as we were about to leave to go to breakfast, I was with like 3 of my friends. One of their boyfriends basically invited himself along, and I didn't really know him, so it was just like a bit awkward. And then when we were walking to breakfast, we were walking past all the cute little cafes trying to decide which one to go to, and he basically convinced his girlfriend to convince us to not go to a cute cafe because he didn't want to, because he said they were too expensive and didn't have what he wanted. And so he convinced her to convince us to go to McDonald's for my birthday. And I remember being so upset, just being like, they do not care at all. And I remember the only person who like actually remembered it was my birthday was my brother's ex-girlfriend, who was actually camping with us, and she made me a cake, and it was so nice, and like, I was so happy about that. But I didn't even know her that well, and the fact that she put all the effort in was like such a lovely thing. And it's so weird because that was like such a good thing, but like when I think back at it, I only remember the bad things. And I think people, myself included, have a tendency to like only remember the bad things in those sort of situations, because it probably wasn't really a bad day. It was just like that bad thing happened and it just ruined my whole day. And then on my 18th birthday, I had a really great day, but that night I had like a gather kind of, and it wasn't a big gather, there were only like a few people there, but basically someone thought I said something that I didn't ever say, and they got really offended by what they thought I said, and they just walked out and got picked up. And then because of that, everyone else felt really awkward and they just got picked up and left. And also before that, it was supposed to be quite a few people there, and like everyone cancelled last minute. And so even the people who did come, one of them like sat on their phone the whole time, then people just got picked up early and left. And I remember just like spending the night just crying. And my friend was like looking after me and like trying to cheer me up and trying to sort the situation out, because it was just like a huge misunderstanding. But I just remember that night just like crying. And although I'd had such a lovely day with my other friends and family and stuff, it just really sucked. It just really sucked that that was how it ended, and that's how I remember my 18th birthday now. But last year for my 19th birthday, I had the best day ever. Skye, George and I drove down to the beach like super early in the morning, and we went and like saw the sunrise. It wasn't a very good sunrise, but it was really fun to be able to do that. Then we got like acai bowls for breakfast. Then we went out to lunch with the squad at my favorite cafe ever. And then I saw my boyfriend that night. Like, we went and had a picnic dinner in the city, and it was so great. Everything went so perfectly. But that was the first birthday in a very, very long time that has actually been good. And so now whenever I think about my birthday, I just like almost like cringe. Like, I don't want to think about it. And this year I'm really hoping that nothing really goes wrong. There are a couple of things that have already gone wrong, kind of. Not really, it's just like things that aren't my ideal situation. So like my parents are going away, so I won't be able to see them. And then my boyfriend is actually going to be away as well, which really sucks. Because he's doing an internship, he actually has to go on quite a few trips, which is like really good. But it just so happens that one of the trips literally leaves on my birthday. So we'll probably just do something the day before, but I'm hoping that those two things are the only things that like are going bad, because like I said, every year except for last year something has gone wrong. So I'm hoping those are the things that have gone wrong, because it's a lot easier to like mentally prepare yourself for something if you already know what's gonna happen, you know. But I'm trying not to think about my birthday as my birthday because that just makes me anxious. I'm trying to just think about it as a day of doing all my favorite things, because Giorgio and I are just gonna spend the day together pretty much doing my favorite things, which is so nice. She's the bestest friend in the entire world. But I'll probably vlog it so you guys can see it and see what we get up to. And then I think that night we're gonna hang out with the squad and either have like a picnic or a pajama party or something. So I'm really excited about that. But if you guys don't like your birthday for any reason, tell me. I would really like to know, because I don't think I've met anyone who doesn't like their birthday. Like I've met people who don't really care about their birthday, but I don't think I've met someone who doesn't like their birthday. So if you don't, let me know, because personally I wish I could literally just skip my birthday, like just go from April 2nd straight to April 4th. Monday. We decided to come and get food because we had nothing else to do.
Yeah, literally.
Oh, it's not fixing. Give me a taste test. Take your first bite. This is a lot of pressure. I'm sorry.
A lot of pressure. It feels really good.
Does it?
The bun feels really.
Is it better than Carl's?
I'm a big fan of Carl's.
You are? I got the chicken one. You got like a double cheeseburger kind of thing. This looks pretty good though.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, I like it. Also, what a tune. This is fantastic. I really like it.
I really like the bun.
It's probably a really bad thing. Do you want to bite?
You want that?
Best friend goal. I really like it with the chicken. Okay, bye. Wow, I just look fantastic. I just had a shower, so my hair's kind of crazy. But I'm just here to end off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Goodbye.